northwestern North Carolina, northwestern Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northeastern Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Halls Mills, or near McGrady, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include North Wilkesboro, Sparta, Trap Hill, Ennis, Bottom, McGrady, and Mulberry. And now a special weather statement. Blacksburg County, Henry County, Franklin County, until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Boone's Mill to near Ridgeway, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Martinsville, Bedford, Rocky Mount, Alta Vista, Hurt, Chatham, and Gretna. This includes the following locations to Martinsville Speedway, the National D-Day Memorial, and Martinsville Airport. A severe thunderstorm. Southwest winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming west 10 to 15 miles. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 159, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Halifax, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 159, effective until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Halifax, Virginia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing